Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you again for joining for another video. This video is a little different than what I usually put out on my channel. I love to throw parties and Super Bowl is a huge thing in our house, so I thought I'd put out a series of all the party foods that I usually make for parties and a lot that I have made for our Super Bowl parties. It's been a requested video of mine for a while from families and friends to just put out videos of all the party foods that I typically serve because they're usually a big hit. So this video is going to be starting with some crispy jalapeno poppers, some jelly kielbasa, Hawaiian ham and Swiss rolls, and of course buffalo chicken egg rolls. Some of my favorite finger foods are all going to be packed in this video. If you like this kind of content, give it a big thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss the rest of this series. Let's go ahead and jump into these recipes. All right, y'all, we are coming to the end of this video. I tried to pack 4 of my favorite finger foods into this finger food themed video. I have been recording this stuff throughout the entire past year of 2020 and making them in small batches so that I could have video footage out for you guys throughout January and the beginning of February to get ready for Super Bowl. If you plan to throw a party, I would love to have one, but with COVID and everything, I'm still keeping my distance. But if you guys enjoyed these recipes, let me know down in the comments below if you tried them, and give it a big thumbs up if you did like it, as well as subscribing if you haven't yet, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.